Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today we are in Wonderworks in Orlando. If you haven't been here, you probably have driven by International Drive and see this crazy upside-down building. Well, it is a fun place to go, and it's in Orlando. We're going to show you a little bit about it and some of the things you can do in this fun, wacky place. The first thing you do when you enter is go through an inversion tunnel. Where do you want to see? Well, you can see anywhere on Google Earth. You can put your hand in a Tesla coil, and that will make you a lightning rod. Sometimes water seems to be dripping up, or is it down? I think it's up. After putting your hand in ice water, it turns blue. You can see the difference between something frozen and a warm hand. The Bubble Lab, you can make bubbles of all kinds of sizes. Have you ever played a game of virtual air hockey? Winner! Want to shoot some hoops? Do you like to dance? How about making some great sights with lights as you dance?
At the end of the countdown, your image will be frozen in time. Now get ready. 3, 2, 1, freeze.
That's cool. I like it. Plus I like speed.
Do you dare lay on a bed of nails? I did.
There we go.
There is also an area, a zone for space. One of the things you can do is land a shuttle.
Discovery Houston, show you on center line a little bit low. Recommend you pull the stick back. 6,000. Discovery Houston, still show you a bit low. Recommend you follow the guidance center.
Higher, higher. There you go.
Be sure you stop by the Canyon Coaster 4D ride. It is fun for everyone. Ropes course is also available with the price of admission for the younger ones or anyone who is brave enough to try. Costs to get into Wonderworks are $34.99 for an adult, $24.99 for a senior, and $24.99 for a child. That cost includes over 100 exhibits, the ropes course, and the 4D ride. Be sure to know that parking in the garage is $5 for 2 hours. The event takes 2 to 4 hours, maybe longer if you have kids and they want to play arcade games. Also a small cafeteria and a gift shop. This has been Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch all of our videos. And don't forget to subscribe.